Good morning friends. Today we will discuss about the bond order of a given molecule. Bond order means the number of bonds present between the two atoms. Bond order can be divided into two subheadings: bond order for diatomic molecule and bond order for polyatomic molecules. So bond order for diatomic molecule we can decide based upon the number of electrons count. If it is 14, the bond order will be 3. If it is 13, the bond order will be 2.5. If it is 12, bond order will be 2. If it is 11, 1.5. 10, it is 1. It is 15, bond order will be 2.5. If bond order is 6, it is 2. If bond order is 17, it will be 1.5. It is 18, so bond order will be 1. So for example, N2 molecule, nitrogen has electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 nitrogen, 7 plus 7, that means 14 electrons. So the bond order in case of nitrogen will be N2 molecule will be N triple bond N. Similarly, oxygen 1s2, 2s2, 2p4, 8 electrons. So in O2, so 8 plus 8, that means 16 electrons. So the bond order will be 2. So the number of bonds present between two oxygen atoms are 2. So now we discuss a little bit about the polyatomic molecules. For instance, take the example of ClO4 minus. You draw the structure of ClO4 minus. So now the bond order will be the number of bonds surrounding the chlorines. So here 6, 7 bonds divided by number of peripheral atoms, so 7 by 4. If we will take the example of ClO3 minus, draw the structure of ClO3 minus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the bond order will be number of surrounding atoms around chlorine 1, 2, so 3 divided by, okay. Similarly, if you take the example of SiO4 minus, so Si O minus, O minus, O minus, O minus. So the bond order will be, how many bonds are present surrounding the silicon? 4 divided by number of atoms 4. If we will take the example of XeO4 minus 2, so the structure will be Xe minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 lone pair. So the bond order will be 4, 5, 6, 6 divided by how many? 4. Okay. Similarly, we will take the example of XeO6 4 minus. The structure will be okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 number outermost electrons. So the bond order will be 8 divided by how many surrounding? 6. 8 by 6. One more thing we will discuss about the IO6 5 minus. The structure will be one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so the bond order will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 divided by 6. Okay, there is simple comparison in CO carbon dioxide and carbonate ion. What are the bond order? Here the bond order 3 we can do by the calculation of this electron count rule. Here the bond order will be number of surrounding bonds around carbon, so 4 divided by surrounding atoms 2, so it will be 2. And in case of CO3, you draw the structure. This is the structure. So the bond order will be how many bonds? 4 divided by 3. It is in unit 1.3. So these are the few examples. In CO plus, the bond order will be 3.5. This is one exception, 3.5. If you do the electron count, it is 6, it is 8, so it is 14, and now it is losing one electron, so it is becoming 3, 13. 13 means it should be 2.5, but here why this is 3.5 I will cover in my next class, that is in bond order part 2. There I will cover this explanation along with some few examples. Okay, so for this class, that's all. Goodbye.